Okay, so I was here. So this is the house. The window here, just in the top here, it's my bedroom. So that's a new part that's been made after that part. This is the really old part of the house. Used to be the farm and stuff. And so behind you can see the camper van, and this is where we put it usually, but right now it's outside, so I can work in it, study in peace. So yeah, and this is where we are going to do some parties. Well, we need to put some better stuff in it because it's really cold when it's cold and it's very hot when it's hot. And yeah, so still the garden. Behind you've got like lots of trees with cherries and apples, and you've got I'm not sure if we've got strawberries anyway, but yeah. And so behind you'll see, before they used to put pigs in it and horses. I don't remember where, but yeah, they used to put animals. And this is the swimming pool. Ta-da! Exactly the same as at your place in New Zealand, with the same drawings. And so yeah, and so you've got here, it's the forest and it's ours, and you've got the trees behind. So yeah, that was my garden. I hope you liked it, and well, talk to you next time. See ya!